Welcome to Vision MBA guys, my name is Sneha and today in this video I'm going to discuss about the very important topic which is for Maharashtra CET. But there is a lot of confusion that when exactly the examination is going to be held. But that doesn't mean that you guys should not start for the preparation. Any point of time the examination can be conducted. Now the CMAT examination is going to be there on 9th of April. So we have total 1 month or 30 days around to start the preparation, or you can just revise the topics which are there for CMAT examination. Now guys, for Maharashtra CET, if you are planning to give the examination, these are the topics which you need to study and the amount of questions which are being asked in the CET examination. Now there is logical reasoning in which direct questions are being asked is 75. The main out of 200 direct 75 questions are based on your logical reasoning topic. Then you have your abstract reasoning which is very scoring. You just need to understand the concept and then you are done. So there are 25 questions for that. Then you have your quantitative aptitude which is your calculation, your maths which also has DI. It has total 50 questions including the DI part. Then you have your verbal which has 50 questions. In total 200 questions are there. 2.5 hours of time has been given. Now guys, for these examinations you need to understand the concepts. You need to have speed and accuracy for these types of questions. There is no negative marking. So any correct answer you will be getting +1 out of 200. There is no negative marking. So guys, this is the plus point, but then the main important thing is time management in this types of examinations. So how exactly the time management can be done is only by the practice. Now guys, at Vision MBA what we do is, like, if you want to join us, we'll be providing you with such kind of books. This is for logical reasoning. We have verbal. Then you have your quantitative aptitude which also covers your DI for your CET examination. Then for your verbal, to get more stronger from your vocab and other types of skills, you have this Word Power Made Easy. This is a brilliant book. If you want to get good score in verbal, you can study new words and get hang of the words from this book. Once you're done with the basic concepts, as I said, time and accuracy plays an important role. So this is the new book which we have launched and it has so many questions and topics clearing to your Maharashtra CET, which is totally based on the paper patterns and the questions which have been coming from last so many years. So guys, if you want to join us, you can come at Thane. You can visit us and we'll be giving you the whole details, and a proper schedule based on each student will be customized as per your convenience and we will be studying as per that. So guys, in a batch we only have total of 10 students. 10 students is there in a single batch. Why? Because we want to customize the, so you can say, the study plan as per each individual. So guys, this is the plus point. Plus you can also interact with our faculties all the time. We all are experienced. We know how exactly a student should attempt these kind of questions and what all things are important for the examination. To know more, get in touch with me. The number is given below and you can also visit us. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Vision MBA. Thank you.